Have you ever wondered how a single statement can stir up a storm? Well, something of such nature recently unfolded at the Zimbabwe Congress of Trade Unions Workers' Day event. On a day meant to celebrate the grit and determination of workers, a political undercurrent took center stage. Ostallos Siziba, a close ally of opposition leader Nelson Chamisa, made a dramatic exit from the function after ZCTU President Florence Taruvinga used a mantra typically associated with the ruling Zanu PF party. This incident took place at Gwanzura Stadium in Harare, the heart of Zimbabwe's capital, where the country's main labor group had gathered to commemorate May 1st. The day began quite normally, with strict instructions from the police to keep the event free from political interference. Siziba, who was representing CHAMISA, arrived after the commencement of proceedings and allegedly tried to address the workers. However, he was not given the platform to speak. The atmosphere shifted when Taruvinga began her address. Siziba, infuriated by her use of the mantra "Nika inoshandirwa nevenevayo," a slogan associated with President Emerson Mnangagwa, decided he had had enough. He left the stadium, causing a significant portion of the crowd to follow suit. What was meant to be a day dedicated to the labor force transformed into a display of political tension. Sources close to the event stated that Siziba was not upset over being denied a speaking opportunity, but was rather incensed by the use of a Zanu PF-aligned mantra at an event that was meant to be apolitical. After the incident, Taruvinga clarified that she holds no political affiliations and is solely focused on an apolitical labor movement. She emphasized the need for workers to steer clear of political influences, as partisanship has historically affected the country's workers. In summary, the Workers' Day event in Harare took an unexpected turn when Siziba left the venue as a form of protest against the use of a ZANU PF mantra. This incident highlighted the deep-seated political tensions in Zimbabwe and the ongoing struggle to keep labor issues separate from political affiliations.